Have you ever cleaned your entire house and somehow it still feels messy? Like you just did all the work and nothing actually changed. Hi, I'm Sarah, the small space mom. I share what actually earns its place in real life and real homes. So if you're trying to make a small space work, especially with kids, you're definitely in the right place. This is something I struggled with for a very long time. I used to think the problem was that I just needed to clean more or stay on top of things better. But what I realized is cleaning wasn't actually the problem. The real problem was that I had too much in my space. And when you have too much, no amount of cleaning is going to fix that because you're constantly moving things around, reorganizing, shifting piles, but nothing actually has a place that makes a sense. And for me, living in a smaller space with 4 kids, that shows up fast. Toys, clothes, random items, it builds up quickly. So instead of focusing on cleaning more, I had to shift my mindset to this. Does this actually earn its place in my home? If it doesn't serve a purpose or make our daily life easier, it starts to feel like clutter, even if it looks nice. That one shift changed everything for me because now instead of constantly cleaning, I'm maintaining a space that actually works. And that's a big difference. I'm not trying to have a perfect home, I'm trying to have a functional home. And when your home works for you, it naturally feels calmer, even if it's not spotless. And honestly, when I do bring something new into the house, I think about whether it's going to make life easier or just take up space. Because I've definitely bought things that looked like a good idea, but ended up making my space feel worse. So if you feel like you're constantly cleaning, but your home still feels cluttered, it might not be a cleaning problem. It might just be time to start asking what actually deserves to stay. If you're figuring out small space life like I am, make sure you subscribe and follow along. I'll be right here with you as we figure it out together.